Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Subaru WRX garage door opener. First, make sure your garage door opener remote has fresh batteries and is functioning correctly. Park your WRX inside the garage, facing the door, to ensure a strong signal during the programming process. Locate the 3 home link buttons on your car's overhead console. These are what we'll be using. This easy method will have you set up in just a few minutes. Before we program, it's important to clear any existing memory from your home link system. Press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons on your overhead console at the same time. Keep holding them down until the indicator light, usually located near the buttons, begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that the home link's memory has been successfully erased, preparing it for new programming. Now, let's program your garage door remote. Hold your garage door opener remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and the open button on your garage door remote. Continue holding both buttons until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This rapid flash means the signal has been learned. For the final step, you'll need to sync with your garage door opener motor. Locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener unit, usually on the back or side. Press this button once. Immediately, within 30 seconds, return to your WRX and firmly press the home link button you just programmed 3 times. Your garage door should now respond. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.